Industries in Karnataka. Industries play an important role in the development of the country as well as our state. Karnataka is rich in presence of abundant resources, raw materials, modern climate, water and transport system, skilled laborers, and modern technology. The industries ranges from agriculture-based, small-scale industry, modern industry, and large-scale industries. A majority of the 35 billion silk industry in India is headquartered in Mysore and North Bangalore region of Dodaballapura. Heavy industries such as National Aerospace Laboratories, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Indian Telephone Industries, Bharat Earth Movers Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, Hindustan Machine Tools, and Indian subsidiaries of Volvo and Toyota are also headquartered in Bangalore. Hydroelectric power generation station was started at Shivanasamudra in 1902. This station was commissioned by the Diwan of Mysore, Sir K. Sheshadri Iyer. The power generated here was initially used in Kolar gold fields. Many industries producing essential products, tiles factories, silk industries, cement factories, bidis, cigarette, iron and brass foundries were established at this period. After 1923, many modern manufacturing units such as iron, steel, sugar, sandal oil industries were started. After independence, the industrial policy of the central government facilitated the establishment of many industries such as manufacturing of aeroplanes, engineering, machine tools, HMT, BEL, BHEL, watches, iron and steel, aluminium, information technology, electronics, biotechnology industry, etc. Iron and steel industry in Karnataka. Karnataka occupies the pride of place by being the first state in South India to establish an iron and steel factory. So M. Vishwaraya's foresight enabled an iron and steel industry to be set up at Bhadravati in Shivamogga district in 1923 so that a rich and abundant iron ore deposit in the Baba Budangiri hills could be utilized. This factory was named as Mysore Iron and Steel Industries Limited. Later on, it was handed over to the Steel Authority of India Limited in 1989. Today it is known as Vishwaraya's Iron and Steel Industry. Another important iron and steel industry of Karnataka is the private sector owned Jindal Vijayanagar Steel Limited. It was established in 2001 at Torangal in Bellary district using the latest Corex technology. It produces iron and steel. Cotton and textile industries in Karnataka. Cotton textile industry is one of the modern industries established very early in the state. It is an agro-based industry. From ancient times, weaving cloth on handlooms was in practice in Karnataka. It is practiced even now. Although cloth is produced from synthetic yarn and foreign cotton textiles are available, Indian cotton textiles are in great demand. The modern cotton mills were established towards the end of the 19th century. Ginning and spinning mills were set up in northern districts. The first MSK cotton mill was set up in the year 1884 at Kalaburagi. Later, cotton textile factories were started in Hubli. After 1900, big cotton textile mills were established. Among them, Bini Mills and Minerva Mills of Bengaluru, KR Mills of Mysore, Cotton Mill of Davangere were established before independence itself. After independence, cotton mills were set up in the northern Maidan where cotton was widely grown. Davangere became the state's most important cotton textile industrial center. It is called Manchester of Karnataka. There are ginning and spinning mills all over Karnataka. At present, there are 44 cotton mills in the state. Approximately 5.1 million meters of cotton cloth is produced annually. In order to improve the situation in the textile industry in Karnataka, the state government has formulated a program called Swarna Textile Policy and has established finished good parks in 11 districts. The purpose of this program is to export the goods from these industries to foreign countries. Karnataka ranks second in the country with regard to export of textiles. Sugar industry in Karnataka. The sugar industry is one of Karnataka's important large-scale industries. It is also an agro-based industry. All factors necessary for the development of this industry are favored in the state. Sugarcane production requires humid climate, power supply, local market, transport system, etc. This industry plays an important role in the economic development of Karnataka. Sir Francis Buchanan mentions that in the early part of the 19th century itself, sugar was produced in Palali of Srirangapatna and Chikaballapura. The first modern sugar industry, Mysore Sugar Company, was established at Mandya in 1933 until 1951. That was the only factory in the state. Now there are 47 sugar factories in the state. The total annual production is 339 lakh tons. Karnataka stands third in the production of sugar in the country. The distribution of sugar industry in Karnataka is concentrated in the sugar growing areas, especially the districts in the catchment areas of the Kaveri, Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers. There are more sugar factories in Belagavi and Bagalkot districts. Mandya, Mysore, Bidar, Vijaypura, Kalaburagi, Bellary and Davangere districts also are significant for sugar industry. Bagasse and molasses are the byproducts of the sugar industry. Bagasse is used for the manufacture of paper and fuel. Molasses are used for production of alcohol. Paper industry in Karnataka. Paper is of great importance in the modern world. It is essential for education, printing, newspapers, and for propagation of culture. It is a forest-based industry. Bamboo, wood pulp, grass, bagasse, cloth rags, and waste are used as raw materials for the manufacture of paper. The first paper mill, Mysore Paper Mill, was established in 1936 at Bhadravati. Later, a private company, West Coast Paper Mill, was started at Andheli. Bamboo, eucalyptus tree, pulp from nearby forest, water from Kali River, and electricity from Jog are supplied to this mill. There are some more paper mills at Nanjagod, Krishnarajanagar, Satyagala, Mundagod, Munirabad, Idayur, and Bangalore. Karnataka ranks fourth in the production of paper in the country. Karnataka produces 3.6 lakh tons of paper products per year. Cement industry in Karnataka. Since urbanization and industrialization has increased in Karnataka, the demand for cement in construction activities has also increased. Cement is essential for constructing houses, public buildings, roads, bridges, dams, etc. Limestone, which is necessary for the establishment of cement industry, is found in abundance in Karnataka. In addition, gypsum and bauxite are also available. Only coal has to be imported from the neighboring states. Availability of water, sand, transport, electricity supply, clay and wide market are the other factors favoring the growth of cement industry. The first cement factory in the state was established at Bhadravati in 1939. Later, factories were set up at Bagalkot, Ammasandra of Tumkur district, Sahabad of Kalaburagi district. Other cement producing centers are Wadi, Lokapura, Itigalli, Madakeri, Kanchipura, Kalardagi, Kurkunta, Sidam, and Chittapura. Karnataka produces 8% of the total cement in the country. At present, it has an annual production capacity of around 121 lakh tons. Industrial regions of Karnataka. Karnataka has always been at the forefront of the industrial growth in India. With its inherent capabilities, coupled with its enterprising citizens, Karnataka provides the ideal choice for investment opportunities due to the following reasons. Qualified human resources, which includes trained technical manpower in engineering, management, and basic sciences. High level of research and development facilities, number of central government laboratories and research institutes located in Karnataka, favorable climate and habitat, excellent communication facilities and accessibility with broad gauge airport and seaport. Karnataka is the leader in information technology sector in India and its capital Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India. A total of 1,973 companies in Karnataka are involved in information technology related business. While the bulk of the IT related companies are located in Bangalore, some companies are located in Mysore, Mangalore, and Hubli as well. Bangalore is also the headquarters of Wipro and Infosys, which are among the top three IT companies in India with respect to market capitalization. Karnataka has been divided into 5 industrial regions on the basis of distribution of industries. They are as follows. Bengaluru, Kolar, Tumkur Industrial Region. It has a large number of industries. Belagavi, Dharwad Region. Dakshina Kannada and Udupi Region. Bellary, Raichur, Kopal Industrial Region. Mysore, Mandya Industrial Region.